What is up, you guys? It's been a while. And I have my camera on my tripod, so I don't know if this is actually like straight. I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, moving on. So I was just sitting here on my couch, realizing that it's been a while since I talked to you for one. Thank you for that. It's been a while since I've talked to you, first. Second, I was watching the YouTube video and I was like, why don't I do my own YouTube video and catch you guys up? Because there's probably many things that are new or need to be updated on, touched on, etc. So, that's what's gonna happen. First things first, you may realize my couch is different and this is new, and if you really pay that much attention, they are all new, and I have moved. So yes, with my boyfriend and everything, I just, because I'm the only one here right now. Kyle's out doing a class. Anyway, so we moved, let's see, about a month and a half ago, and you'll remember our last apartment was a 2-bedroom, fairly spacious. This is a 1-bedroom that's larger in square footage, but obviously we lost a bedroom. So with us having a baby, if you didn't know, we're having a baby, and he's actually due this coming Friday. Today's Monday, July 29th. He's due this Friday, August 2nd. So we're, waiting on him to come. Anyway. So yeah, I thought I would give you guys a little apartment tour and I don't know, / baby tour. So let's just do that. Anyway, and if I happen to walk past a mirror, which I will, but you may not see, I don't have pants on, so oh well. I got undies, but no pants. So anyway, here's our front door entry area. A lot of this stuff is not gonna stay here. This is my pool floaty, so obviously it's summertime. I'm using that. This is an air conditioner that we bought that's actually going to go back to Costco. And then back there, I'm bringing with me to the hospital. That's my hospital bag. And that is the second attachment for our stroller, which is in my car. So I can't show you that. But anyway, that's what that thing is. And it spans all the way across there. That, you know him, that's Denbei. Cat water, we have this little thing. A lot of the stuff that's in here is from our old apartment. So everything will probably look familiar, but just in different places, obviously. This is a catch-all where we can put our bags and stuff. Obviously we don't have any on there right now, but that's what that's for. This closet is a utility closet. Our water heater and everything's in there, and then we have some extra baby stuff that we're not going to need right now. So from the entryway, I guess I'll turn this way and do the bedroom last. So here you walk in and you can kind of see this is where the kitchen is, and then living space, and then there's a closet here. So this side of the closet has this thing which you guys have maybe seen, I don't know. It just has kind of random stuff on it, extra wallets, school supplies, envelopes. This is our little filing cabinet, so it has personal papers and that kind of stuff. This is my little diaper caddy cart. So I've obviously got diapers, some diaper rash cream, sanitizer, clothes. These are little samples I got out of stuff. This one has extra of that, so the rest of the diapers, more cream, sanitizer, pacifiers, breast pads, and sample diapers and swaddle blankets. And then down here I have breast milk bags. And then in this thing is my breast pump. It's down here. But it came in this backpack and it's like attached in there. Well, detachable, but it's in there, so I'm just leaving it in there. Anyway, moving on. And then we've got extra diapers up on this whole shelf up here. So yeah, that's all that. And he loves to get in the closet at all times. But he's gonna have to come out because we're moving to the other side. Sorry, kid. So other side of the closet, and he'll get in this side too, is like our, I don't know, everything. So up here we have a bunch of books that go on a bookshelf. These are my pads and depends for postpartum necessities, Christmas stuff, towels, sheets, pillowcases, washcloths, laundry soap, medicines, other feminine products. This is Kyle's some game stuff, Swiffer things, cleaning supplies, other decor, a random backpack. And this Target bag back here is actually full of shampoo because they were having a super deal, so we bought a bunch and they're just staying in there. Cat necessities, Mr. Clean sponges, which if you don't have, I highly recommend. They are so good. Cat still, a little like diaper cake from our baby shower, toilet paper. And then down here we have some extra diapers, wipes, and toilet paper. I know, bud, but you can hang out there. And then our living room. So this chair, obviously we had at our other place. This couch is new though. Well, it's new to us. We bought it secondhand. What, bud? He's like freaking out. It's obviously like very large, but you can tell there's still like a lot of space. I'll stand in the dining room. Maybe you can tell better. Well, I don't know. I feel like it looks smaller on camera, but there's still like lots of walking space. So we got this giant leather couch from a man selling it on OfferUp, which if you haven't heard of that, it's like Let Go, where you can buy, sell, trade items. This section here doesn't make sense to us. This is actually a light. It comes in handy like at nighttime, but other than that it's useless. And then this like weird ledge, I don't know. Anyway, so we have our couch. This table situation is the same. I really don't like them though, because our couch is so big. We need something different, so we'll get that at some point. Back here we have the black shelves, which all those books go on, but because this thing is hidden, we like didn't want to do anything with it. So we just have other stuff, cat stuff, obviously outside. This thing we had last time. This was our little pregnancy announcement thing. And I know that says July and he's due August 2nd. We thought he was going to come earlier because they said he was measuring a lot larger, but I mean July still has 2 days left, so he could come, but anyway, beyond the point. Our entertainment center is the same, TV's the same, extra diapers, one of those, what are they called? I can't think. One of these things that we got from a baby shower also, and we just have it in there. Got these balloons from my coworkers at work. They gave me a little going on maternity leave party, so I just have them up there. This cat is like dripping. Over here is our dining room, cat box, dining room table. The blanket is because we don't have a tablecloth, which we should probably get on that bandwagon. This little cart we have nothing really on, just random stuff. Our cat tower, because obviously we have cats. This is a high chair that we don't know where else to put. Got it as a baby shower gift. And then our kitchen is a pretty good size. I mean, it's bigger than our last kitchen, so obviously we have all the kitchen necessities. Toaster, microwave, my fruit. This is another thing they got me. It's a plant. have it just hanging out right there. Clean dishes. This is all the stuff for my breast pump. So it's, and I just boiled it all, so it's all drying. Keurig, K-cups, stove, water I was just using, backpack, water bottle, and then yeah, as you can see, it's like a, I guess an L shape. Cat who is having a weird day today. Anyway, so that's the kitchen. So living room again. Walking this way, it's kind of dark in here and we don't have any lights, so it's gonna be orange. Anyway, you walk in here, we have like a little hall light. To the left here is the bathroom. It's kind of small compared to what we had, but I mean, what can you do, right? So I've got all my bathroom stuff in there, and then you walk to the right and it's our closet. So we have a walk-in closet, and this is my side. Mostly Kyle's stuff is in here. We have some baby stuff in that drawer there. And then we have baby stuff over there and random up there, and then some of my clothes. And then you just keep going. And our bedroom, it's a pretty decent size actually. The crib obviously takes up a little bit of extra space, but it's kind of necessary. So here's our bed, not made. It is what it is. My little nightstand with my clock. This is some extra laundry we need to do. Same bed and everything. Cat perch. This crib we got at IKEA, and I need to put the sheets on it, but we still have this whole bucket of laundry to do. Baby's not even here yet, and I've already done like 4 loads of laundry for him, so don't know what that's about, but I guess that's just my life now. Yeah, this crib's from IKEA. These were mine. This was a baby shower gift from Kyle's brother's girlfriend. It's a C made out of buttons. It's really cute. This was a baby shower gift. And then our patio is quite large, but it's kind of messy, so yeah. And then this is Kyle's little gaming station and like other stuff. This was my makeup drawers, and I have now condensed it all to this top drawer because I don't wear makeup anymore, and this was the stuff I couldn't get rid of. So this is what I've got, and then the rest of this is just like storage and other business stuff. That's Kyle's crap. So yeah, and then our mirror. I would show you my bump, but like I said, I don't have pants on, so I don't want to get like demonetized or anything. So that is our apartment, and I'll probably do, because obviously I didn't really touch much on baby stuff, I might do a separate video for that. But yeah, for now I just wanted to kind of update you guys a little bit, and I'll catch up with you in a bit.